Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Samantha Cashel. If you're new, if you're old, thank you for stopping by. But today's video, as you can tell by the title, it's going to be me showing you guys how to make pre-made templates that you can sell on Etsy. And I do get paid every single day from this. Just yesterday I made $200 just selling pre-made templates on Etsy. So here is the video on how you can start making your own templates today and making money online. Okay, so I start by going on Etsy to get some inspiration on the flyer that I would like to make. And in this video, I'm going to be making a body contouring flyer. So I do go ahead and look at the different flyers that they do offer. As you can see, I'm starting off with a pre-made template in Canva that I already started because I was supposed to make this video for you guys. But here is me just going over the different options of what I want my title to be and how I want the font to look.
Body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. So we'll piss off the neighbors in the place of sympathies, the place you love to feel, yeah, reckless behavior. A place that is so good, so dirty and wrong. In those better days, fucking anybody knows it's a paradise, and it's a war zone. It's a paradise, and it's a war zone. It looks up, my enemy, my ally, prisoners. Then we're free, it's a thin line. I'm seeing the pain, seeing the pleasure. Nobody but you, body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. So we'll piss off the neighbors in the place of sympathy, the place you look to feel, yeah, reckless behavior. A place that is so good, so dirty and wrong. In those better days, fucking anybody knows it's a paradise, and it's a war zone. It's a paradise, and it's a war zone.
I did jump back to Canva because I didn't know much about body contouring, and I had to go back to try to see like what some of the people are putting on their flyers, because I have never done a body contouring flyer. So this is what I'm doing for mine. And then sometimes the app does glitch, and so that's why I did go ahead and exit out of Canva and then come back for you guys. Because it does glitch from time to time, but this was the first time that it glitched in a long time.
It's a paradise, and it's a war zone.
We ain't gotta be lit right now. You the only one I see while the whole world go around. Let them tear the club up while we pullin' to the crib downtown. Girl, the way you roll up, I might have to take a hit right now. Right now, baby, we can turn it. Yeah.
Okay, so now that we're done, we did go ahead and save it. And from here, I'm going to show you how to get the link. And here, I'm actually covering up the link so you guys don't get that free link from me. Okay, so I realized that that is not the link that you do not need. So from here, I'm going to show you what I do as far as getting that link to make it to where everyone can edit it from their own end and not change yours. And now I'm at the start of Canva, and from here I'm going back to all of my designs that I made, and I actually have a flyer that I automatically upload, and this is what that flyer template looks like. Okay, so from here, what I'm doing is I clicked on edit now, and then from here come the link that I would be changing. That's what this link is for, the actual pre-made template that you already have. So from here, I am going to go back to the beginning to where I am going to get that link from the previous the flyer that I made. And then you click on share, and then from there you'll switch it to use as a template, and then you will copy that link. You will go back to that flyer, which will be in the size of a PDF. So you can not PDF, it'll be in like a regular paper file, and then from there you would paste the link and you would hit save, and then you would save this as a PDF. I'm actually renaming it now so I know which link goes for what, because I do have multiple links, and then you would be able to upload that to Etsy.
So dirty and raw. Been to better day. Fucking you fighting on. It's a paradise and it's a war zone. It's a paradise and it's a war zone.
Okay, so I just finished making that flyer in the video. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to Etsy, and on Etsy you're going to hit start selling or become a seller, and then you will go ahead and fill out all of your information. It's going to ask you for your address, what you want to name your business, and then you can also connect a website from Etsy, which will be Square. I also sell on Square as well, so I do have a Square website that people still make orders from, and they still get the pre-made flyers that way as well. But you can go ahead and set that profile up, and then once you set that profile up, I do go back to Etsy and research all of the top names. And once you go from doing all of the top names, you will then copy and paste one that you like, and then change it from there to what fits you in your business. And then you will go make your product description. So you would do basically that it is a fully you'll get like instant download, and the sizing of the flyer, what type of flyer it is, and letting them know like you cannot resell this because this is my design. That's what I put in mine, the product description. And then from there I do go ahead and run ads. So I started off doing the minimum of $10, and then I've noticed that I get more sales when I do 20 to 25 a day, because I'm going to make that money back quick. And you can do this even if you have no purchases, because people are still going to buy from you because they like instant downloads, because it's easy. They don't have to wait for it. They can get it right then and there. So that's why I originally started doing it myself. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to also share this with your friends if you did go ahead and enjoy it. If you would like for me to make more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section down below, and tell me what other videos you would like to see referring to this. because I can do a whole little series on how to do business cards, because I also print and ship these items as well. I can do like a pack with me, shipping off an order, and how to communicate with the customer on what they want, because some do also come to you for custom designs as well. And I enjoy doing it because I can do it from my house. My son can be here. I don't have to like really like talk to anybody like that. Yeah, that's him right now. He's talking to me because he wants cookies for breakfast. So he had cookies and pizza for breakfast. So yeah, thank you guys for stopping by, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.